Train your dog.
That's Totosek.
Yeah, that's gonna be Totosek.
Right.
There you come!
She's got that mallard still out there.
That is it a pintail?
It looked like a pintail to me.
Maybe it's a hybrid. Good girl. Good girl.
You have to send her again.
Yeah. Come on, be a penny. Come on, babe. Yeah.
Pintail? Good girl, Real.
Oh! Oh!
Banded?
No.
Hybrid?
It's a merganser, common merganser we've never seen before.
You gotta get rid of that thing.
What?
The fish eater.
That's our off. Yeah, that's
hey,
awesome.
she's gotta go back out.
Hey, fetch it up. Fetch it up.
Good bird, fetch it up.
That's a big bird. I didn't know there was this big.
Yeah.